Assalamualaikum, my name is MadanLal. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about the phosphorylation and types of phosphorylation. And now we are going to discuss about the role of light in the photosynthesis process. During the photosynthesis process, what lights play the role in the photosynthesis process? So, light comes from the sun. That is why it is called sunlight. So, what is sunlight? It is a portion of electromagnetic radiation. So, we can say that it is a small part of the electromagnetic radiation. So, what are the electromagnetic? Electromagnetic means contain electric and magnetic field. By the change of electric and magnetic field, that produce different types of rays such as radio waves, microwaves, infrared, UV rays, X-rays, gamma, etc., etc. So these types of rays that electromagnetic waves by the change of that emit. So here we have the source of energy is sun. So what is sun? Sun, it is a star at the center of the solar system. The solar system, the stars lies between in the center. So all the planets revolve around the sun. So it is temperature about the 5772 Kelvin, and we can say that sun is a source of energy. So this is about the sunlight. And now what are the electromagnetic radiation? So electromagnetic, it is a full range of electromagnetic radiation in the universe is called electromagnetic radiation. So electromagnetic radiation, it contains different types of rays as we have earlier discussed. Now what are the electromagnetic radiation spectrum? Electromagnetic radiation spectrum, it contains 7 ranges. So what are the 7 ranges? Such as radio waves, microwaves, infrared, UV rays, X-rays, gamma rays. These are the 7 ranges. Now we talk about, if we go from top to bottom, then radio wave has longer wavelength, and with that it has shorter wave frequency. And gamma rays has shorter wavelength but longer frequency. And visible rays lies between them. So this all about the electromagnetic radiation. Now we will discuss about the visible light. What is visible light? Visible light, it is also part of the electromagnetic radiation. So visible light, so it can be seen with our naked eyes. We can see visible light with our naked eyes. So it contains 7 different colors. When it passes from prism, it splits into 7 different colors. So that is why it is called spectrum. And it is small part spectrum. It has wavelength between 380 nanometer to 750 nanometer. So the wavelength of that different colors that lies between the 380 nanometer to 750 nanometer. So it is very effective for the photosynthesis process. So what are the 7 colors? Well, these different 7 colors are Vibgyor. Vibgyor, it is a short form for remember. So V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, and Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. So these are the 7 different colors. When the white light passes from the prism, that splits into 7 different, it will split into 7 different colors. So its wavelength starts from 380 nanometer to 750 nanometers. So which light is most effective for the photosynthesis process? So here we have a graph. In that this side is photosynthesis rate and this side is length of the color. So during the process of photosynthesis, the blue has high wavelength, and its wavelength is 430 nanometer, and again it decreases and it's reach at high when it's reach at red color. So red color has wavelength 670 nanometer. So this is graph shows that which color shows that which is most effective for the process of photosynthesis. During which color does the process of photosynthesis become high, or which color when it becomes low? So this is about the graph, and this is about the visible light. Now the action spectrum. What is action spectrum? So such a graph which shows the effectiveness of different wavelengths of light for the process of photosynthesis. So in action spectrum, it shows that which color is most effective for the plants, and during color that shows that photosynthesis process are high or low. So this is action spectrum. So light is absorbed in the form of photon by photosystem. So in leaf of the plant, that absorbed light in the form of photon, and that was observed by the photosystem. What is photosystem? Photosystem, it is a cluster of photosynthetic pigment. It contains different or pigment that capture the electron in the form of photon, and that cause photoelectric effect. So what is photoelectric effect? It means that when sun energy fall on the car, it cause excitation and de-excitation of electron. So here it is a sun. When the light fall on the photosynthetic pigment, here the electron from ground state it become goes to excited state, and in this excited state now it's transferred through the process of electron transport chain. Now here the ATP and NADPH form. So electron move from ground state to excited is produce excitation. So when the electron moves from ground state to excited state, it's produced excitation. So due to this excitation, it produces ATP and NADPH. So ATP and NADPH energy are produced when the excited electron moves along with electron transport chain. So by the process of series that electron transfer, and in the end the product we get ATP and NADPH. So this is overall about the role of light in the photosynthesis process. So please like my video, and if you have any question, then send me question in comment box.